Welcome to my YouTube channel KCJM NGO. A very good news coming in from Income Tax Department. The date for reapply of 12N ATG has been extended. Yes, the date for reapplication of 12A and ATG for all NGOs has been extended by Income Tax Department yesterday. Let's check out this video in detail for more information. Finance Act 2020 has introduced new compliances and which become burden for the organizations to reapply again for 12A and ATG. So last budget 2020 has amended some provisions and make it compulsory for all the organizations, charitable, religious, even educational institute, to reapply again for 12A, 12AA, ATG and Section 1023C. This new section is called Section 12AB. We know that income of NGO are exempt from tax if they are registered under Section 12A, 12AA or Section 1023C. Also, NGO can issue donation receipt if registered under Section ATG, wherein donor can get 50 or 100% exemption from tax. So what was the problem in old system? Why government has introduced this new Section 12AB? तो दोस्तों दो तरह के प्रॉब्लम. One, this provision was very old, and because of that there is no uniformity in giving registration certificate or number to all the organization. Also, donor cannot cross verify the ATG certificate of any organization by online database. So the new compliances were made applicable from 1st June 2020 and all the procedures has to be completed before 31st August 2020 is now extended, and now the new dates are from 1st October 2020 to 31st December 2020. In a tweet on May 8, 2020, Income Tax Department says, in a view of the unprecedented economic crisis emanating due to the COVID-19 situation, CBDT has deferred the implementation of new procedure for approval, registration, notification of certain entities under Section 1023C, 12AA, 35 and ATG of Income Tax Act 1961 to 1st October 2020. In this pandemic situation in the country, it is the NGOs and trusts who are playing main role in fighting against COVID-19 situation and providing relief work. So this is indeed a good news to allow them to focus on the relief work and not on the compliances. Please note that this relief has been given by a tweet only. We have not yet received any official notification or any kind of notice from CBDT, but it will be expected soon. Many organizations asking me what will be the online procedure for this 12A and ATG, because बहुत लोगों ने तो पुराने सर्टिफिकेट लेके रखे हुए जब ऑफलाइन प्रोसीजर था. So I wrote a blog about it. You can go through this link given in the description. All the information and steps are provided how to apply 12A online. Note that this was the old procedure. So maybe in a new procedure, more or less same information and documents may be asked. Some additional information or document can be asked. So go through this blog and at least have information on which information and documents are required for new procedure. So keep watching my channel for more such kind of updates. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.